Hey there, welcome back. If you've been following along, you know that I'm going to restore this truck. I'm going to either use this cab or that cab over there when I do this restoration. Haven't decided yet. Regardless, the thing that I have to worry about is this right here. This is the VIN number for this truck. It does not have one up here on the dash like newer vehicles. I need to strip this entire cab down, which means removing this so that I can put paint under it. Problem there is, once you remove that, then it's no longer a valid, I guess, VIN vehicle. I got a hold of a company called ECS Automotive, and they produced this beautiful reproduction. I mean, it's identical to what you'd see from the factory. So, I'll put a link down in the description where I got this. They're kind of expensive, I'm not going to lie. I think this was 80 bucks. But considering the equipment that you'd have to make these, I think that's probably pretty reasonable. So, not a sponsor, just a happy customer. That's all there is to it for today. Thanks for watching.